Guys, this shed here runs entirely on solar power. I'm Lalayna from iTechworld. I'm going to take you through everything that's installed in this shed today, and we're going to meet the man behind it, Anthony. Let's go and check it out. Hello, how are you going?
G'day mate, how are you?
Good, good. This is epic.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. How long did it take, this whole shed build?
So everything you see, like with the carpets, the timber, putting it up, took me about 3 or 4 days, just sort of tinkering around after work and bits and pieces. But yeah, it's great to have a self-sufficient shed. It's completely powered by the sun, 100%, which is really cool.
Yeah, let's go through all the different systems in this shed.
Yeah,
and we'll have a look at what you use to power each of the systems and
Sounds
everything
good.
like that. So I see here we've got under the TV, we've got a whole system. Can you talk me through each of the individual components in here?
Yeah, sure. So basically there's 470 watt panels coming down through the side here. We've got 2 super slim 100 amp hour batteries, and we've got the 2000 watt Pro inverter. And then you've got the solar controller in the middle there, and also with a safety fuse.
Yeah, and I see, so that's where the solar connects into the
That's right.
into
So
the system.
I left the connection there
Yeah.
just in case I could run some extra solar panels if I needed to, but so far it's been really good.
Yeah, cool. And this is powering the TV. Talk to me about what else it's powering in this shed.
Yep, so basically everything, TV, the lights, if I need to charge my jet ski battery, I've got all my kit here where I'm doing editing some YouTube videos, charging my metal detectors, absolutely everything. Even the 3600 power station down there gets charged from solar. The fridge is on solar, like literally everything.
Yeah,
So it's really cool.
Not really. And let's move on to this, because this is a pretty nice jet ski here.
Yep, that's the...
Is this being powered by this system as well?
It is, so yeah, anything I need on there, like charging the battery or stuff like that, I'll run it off from the solar as well, which is really cool. So I know every time I head out on the water, it's fully charged and ready to go.
Yeah, excellent. And then we've got the LED lights as well. Talk to me about where they're plugged into and how that fits into the setup.
Yep, so basically I just ran an extension cord from the inverter down to the back there, which powers the air conditioner. This is one of the most power hungry appliances in the shed, running off the 2000 watt Pro inverter. This is drawing about 1500 watts, so it's running perfectly.
Now I'm really interested about all this gear here. How did you install it? Was that a challenge to find out how all these components go together?
Yeah, so basically I just went down to iTechworld in Burswood and sat down with the guys and told them some of the things that I was powering the shed. They're really handy. All the stuff was all click in, plug and play, so I didn't need an electrician at all, which was a real bonus for me to save some money.
And talk to me then, if you had kind of done this whole setup with an electrician, what's the rationale behind doing it yourself instead of getting an electrician to do it all?
Yeah, so because we live on a semi-rural property, it was around $10,000 to get power through the ground and up to the shed here.
Yep, okay.
This was somewhere around $3,000 to $4,000 mark, which was obviously less than half the price. And I actually had great fun installing it. It's really cool, and to know that it's powering my shed for free forever is really cool.
Definitely cut down your electricity bill. So all this stuff as well, you're on the phone to iTechworld and they sorted you out with the batteries or the cords that you needed and recommended.
That's right, yeah. I just had to sort of shorten a few cables and put a few clamps on, which is really fun to do. Yeah, everything was plug and play. So like I said, I didn't need a sparky. The roofing stuff, myself, I'm a roof plumber, so I was pretty handy on the roof. But yeah, apart from that, it was great fun. Just a piece of MDF from Bunnings with some boat carpet and some screws, and yeah, it was actually quite easy.
Yeah, we're going to take a look in detail at the solar on the roof and like you installing that.
Yeah, so I started off with 2 panels and decided to go in parallel because I could get this run the same voltage but just sort of get more power to the station. To the battery, sorry.
Yeah, and you've got 4 of those now.
We've got 4 of them up there.
Yeah, cool.
And yeah, they've been running great. Even on a cloudy day, it still does really well, which is nice.
Whilst we're on the topic of solar power, I know you've recently just got the power station PS3600. Does that also charge from solar from the shed?
It does, yeah. So one of the things I did was put a little connection just up here, so I can disconnect it and charge this from the same solar panels. I can charge the station, which is really handy.
Yeah, and that's when these batteries are already topped up.
That's right. So they're topped up. I can still keep all the lights on, which run off the inverter batteries, and I can just disconnect the solar and start to charge the power station.
Yep, and this unit, What was the rationale behind getting this unit for you?
This was great because I use it on site for work, for my roofing business. We're quite often on sites with no power, and it's been great to, it's like a generator without the petrol. It's great.
Yeah. And I hear this shed, the idea is just to get bigger and better.
It is, yep.
So you've got a few other things you want to power.
That's right, yep.
You want to upgrade a bit. Yeah, tell me about that.
Yep, so we've got some stuff in the pipeline. I'll probably just upgrade the inverter at some stage to the 3000.
Yep.
And some more battery storage, change to the 300 Super Slims.
Yeah, and we're going to do this one today. So you've got the 300 Super Slims for you.
Yep.
What's the need for extra power? What's prompting you to bump it up from that 2000 watt to the 3000 watt?
More so just so I can do a few more things from the shed, run power tools, run the air conditioner for a bit longer, just sort of get a bit more out of it because I really like the concept, but just want to put it on steroids this time. So
extend that life cycle. So, a few hours turns into a few more hours.
Yeah,
and you just have that set up, being able to run for longer and longer. Yeah.
Exactly.
And you've got a fridge in here as well. That's got a battery inside.
It does. Yep. So that's charged up from this as well. It's got the cordless battery in there, so that's running as well at the moment. But if not, I can just run it from straight off the inverter, or I can actually run this fridge straight from the battery from the Anderson plug.
Yeah, cool. And then this one just comes out on site with you as well.
That's right. Yep. So that one can also run the shed if I disconnect it and put it up here, or that one can power either of these while I'm out on site.
Yeah, to take as portable power. Yeah, cool. Well, let's go and grab the new batteries and get those ones installed.
Oh, actually, these are a bit heavy. Would you mind getting that?
How's it looking?
Yeah, very good. I've just installed the bottom battery here, and I'm about to turn it on and see how it goes.
Oh, very brilliant. That looks great. That's it.
Awesome.
Heck ton of power you've got there. That's great.
I know, it's cool. So I've just got this one installed for now. I will series link them. So I've gone from 200 amp hours with two 100s to the two SS300. So now I've got 600 amp hours. It's going to give me a lot more runtime for all my appliances and stuff in here. Yeah,
and you've switched that on through here. Talk to me about that switch.
Yep, so basically this is the 2000 watt Pro. This one does have the RCD protector, which is great for your caravans or in your shed setups, etc. So yeah, that's really good.
Thank you for showing me through your shed today.
No worries.
It's been brilliant, and you've got an absolutely brilliant setup here, powering all, podcast gear, powering the jet ski, the lights, the TV, charging up power stations, fridges.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's nice to sort of get something for free out of the sun. It's really cool. Yeah. And it was great fun doing it.
Well,
excellent. Thanks, mate. No worries. Anytime.
It's been great getting to know Anthony today. If you're looking for a fully self-sufficient power setup, this is the way to do it. If you want help with your setup, make sure you get in contact with us. Tag us in your projects on social media. We'd love to see it. See you guys next time.